Security camera versus doorbell camera. Buyer's guide. Let's explore the differences between security cameras and doorbell cameras to enhance your home security in 2024. Understanding your specific home security needs is crucial before choosing between these two options. Wired cameras offer reliability without battery worries, whereas wireless models provide easier installation and flexibility. Consider your budget. Doorbell cameras are typically less expensive, but expanding with more security cameras can increase costs. Security cameras offer features like high resolution and night vision for detailed, round-the-clock monitoring. Doorbell cameras combine security with convenience, featuring motion detection, two-way audio, and night vision. Both camera types integrate with smart home systems, allowing for remote monitoring and enhanced home connectivity. This quick comparison offers a basic overview, but for a deeper dive into doorbell cameras versus security cameras, including my personal experiences and extensive research, check out the full blog post.